The TYPHON Terror XXV 2.7-ton mini excavator is built for more than digging. This machine can work with many different attachments, making it useful for construction, landscaping, farming, and daily job site work. With the quick coupler, changing attachments is fast and easy. The tilting bucket is ideal for slope work, ditch cleaning, and smooth finishing. The Pallet Fork helps lift and move pallets, tools, and materials. The hydraulic hammer is built for breaking concrete, rocks, and hard surfaces. The tree digging blade helps remove small trees and dig around roots. The Hedge Trimmer is useful for trimming bushes, branches, and roadside greenery. The narrow bucket is perfect for narrow digging, pipe work, and drainage trenches. The leveling bucket is used for grading, leveling, and moving soil or sand. The rake helps clear roots, rocks, branches, and job site debris. The ripper is made for breaking hard soil and compact ground. The grabble is great for grabbing logs, brush, stones, and heavy materials. The auger helps drill holes for posts, trees, and foundation work. With the right attachment, the TYPHON Terror XXV can handle digging, lifting, drilling, breaking, clearing, and landscaping, all with one powerful 2.7-ton machine.